Respected dignitaries, I am Goras Lakshmi Niharika, corresponding author for paper title Fabric Variation and Visualization Using Light Dependent Factor, and the paper ID is 61. The abstract: in the present day scenario, we wear a variety of clothing but never know its fabric until unless a person touches or feels it. But we thought that is there any possibility to find its fabric without touching or sensing it? The answer for this query is yes. We can find the fabric type of clothing without any touch. Here comes an application of IoT where each problem can be solved with the sensors and the real world problems. Fabric variation is a factor of recognition for a sensor where its resonance is the type and gives the sensor a feedback. So coming to introduction, this research formed part of a study aimed at investigating the feasibility of detecting and quantifying various types of fabrics based upon the light. Here we took four different types of clothing materials. So it was thus thought that important of this study in some detail the way in which both the fiber material and the woven pattern affect the transmitted light signal in terms of the total resistance transmitted and the spatial variations in the transmitted beam, and they also affect on the transmitted spectra. The experiments were carried out to investigate the way in which scattering took place as a collimated beam of light was transmitted through the various thickness of different types of materials. When a paper was chosen for which similarly resembles as a cloth or fabric, so we took a paper whether it forms a variation or not, then it has provided relatively thin and uniform scattering medium compared to the fabric samples. And in addition, paper is available in the known densities and thickness as a random mesh. It was thus chosen to provide an insight into the transmission characteristics of light signals through the thin and scattering layers. And the documentation, like when LDR sensor was taken for variating the different types of clothing, as it a photoresistor or LDR light sensor is effective to light and its applications. When in order to capture the light data, analysis of light for experimentation of real time problems, in a study of the analysis of LDR was formerly used as a voltage divider circuit of 4.7 kilo ohms resistance of LDR and a battery. The two pins of LDR captures all the light in the free atmosphere falling towards the cadmium sulfide in the point of its low cost, ease of its uses and manufacturers. The LDRs are widely used for various applications in real-time industry. And the LDR light sensor was manufactured in such a way to exhibit light sensitivity properties. And the photoresistor or LDR sensor is effective to light and its applications when um, when a specific amount of light falls over it, then there is a change in the resistance. Like values of the LDR resistance periodically gets changes over a magnitude and the amount of resistance passing as a light increases. The block diagram here implies the light source was passed towards the fabric, and the fabric scatters of light, and those light was captured by the lights and LDR sensor. LDR sensor gives periodically change in the values of resistance over Arduino IDE. And the flow chart of our model is, uh, firstly we set up a hardware arrangement in such a way that placing a cloth in a fixed length between the sensor and the light, and therefore passing a light towards the fabric, and sensor readings will be collected in the result monitor. Like, here first we have taken one type of clothing material, and it was periodically analyzed using that under same type of clothing, and therefore when we fix it to a value, then the fabric has been changed to some other type, um, and then our model gets stopped. In the experimental section, overall setup, when there is no fabric, here we have taken in figure 2, we have taken the overall setup, where a scale was placed in between them, and the light source and the LDR in the other end, and whole setup was connected to the Arduino IDE, and the results were monitored in the IDE. And the figure 3 resembles when a fabric is placed in between light source and the LDR. And coming to result section, after performing the experimental analysis, we got LDR values as, um, we took a cotton, crepe, net and polyester. These are the resembling values of for 22 volts for cotton, crepe is 24, and net is 21, and polyester is 19 volts. The results hereby follows the cotton. Here we took one sample for identification in results, cotton material, and its reading in the LDR, and monitored through the IDE of Arduino, and crepe hereby polyester, um, and net. Coming to the conclusion, the fabrics have a factor to variate themselves in different ways of experimentation. Like here in our model of approach, a detailed variation of fabrics were analyzed, and according to the factor of light dependencies. Totally, we have taken four types of fabrics where we gave a model of approach to variate between those fabrics. While it gives a feasibility of approach to many users for variating the types of fabrics according to their um, analysis, and this model of approach gives very feasible and easy solution for the workers who work for variating the fabric types, and it also gives the sensor data of LDR was a key for this demo to extract the light passed over the fabric, and the whole method was taken care of using by taking LDR as a key role. Um, we have extracted the sensor data and analyzed this whole model. The future scope, in future the fabric variation using light dependent factor can be visualized using machine learning, and this machine learning can give a quantified classification for the types of fabrics, where it also gives a periodic analysis, and user interaction, where the user interaction gets very easy and very user effective to the customers, and as well as users um, who will who will take over this model. And thank you.